Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create a Gmail account? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and simply here search for create Gmail account, just like that. Once you do that, as you can see, the first link is going to be create a Gmail. As you can see, the first link is going to be create a Gmail account. So simply go ahead and click on that. And now this is where you want to simply go ahead and click on create an account. You're going to be taken to a different page where you can simply go ahead and enter your first name, so for example Digi, and then a last name. Go ahead and click on next. Go ahead and enter your birth month, anything that is correct, so simply go ahead and do that. Go ahead and enter your gender, click on next. Simply go ahead and select whatever address you want, or you could create your own as well. Click on next, then go ahead and create a password and click on, and then enter another one to go ahead and confirm, and click on next, and your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.